It's National Dog Mom Day. I don't know why they don't have a National Bird Mom Day or Bird Dad Day. They have a National Bird Day, but it's in January. They got to spend the day with Mom. You deserve it? Yeah. You can hang out with Mom tomorrow. Really? You're not happy about it? Okay, we'll have to petition to get that changed. We'll get a National Bird Mom Day for you. Is that going to work? Would you like that? What about National Bird Dad Day? And then you can hang out with me all day. Stop. Yeah? Do you still love me? Do you still love me? Feel better now? You had your rant?